It's another action day. One event is uniting Bajans of Barbadians from every corner of Barbados. Soul Rally Barbados series continues, and I'm gonna give you live footages at the scene. I want you to experience it like you never missed it. Grab your favorite drink, snacks. Ladies and gentlemen, seated in your favorite position, let's roll. Let's get this thing started. So let me understand, do they go by the time which it takes for a car to move from the start to the finish, or they are racing number 1, number 2, number 3?
They're racing in order, so
okay.
the steal turns from
all time.
Event, yes. So the times off that will determine before you start, and then you win the king of the hill will get number 1.
Okay. I thought it's the one they put you on the line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, all of you. Okay. Missed. I think at this point here I can get good views, so I'd rather stay here. It's a good position for me to get better views. And oh, there's another. I almost missed it. I think I missed 3. It's almost here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Foot on the gas, foot on the gas. Come on. Turbo. Here it is. Must be a bit done. If you thought we are done, here comes another one. Who is this? I don't specifically know them. Wow. Just like that, and it's gone. Let's keep on waiting. Let's wait for another one. Looks like a fun day for Bajans. See, they have come with drinks, different varieties of food, barbecue. Yeah, they're just having fun. You can see from my background, plenty people. In front too, you can see a bunch of them, even on the other side. There are very many stations. I was told they might take the whole day. Let's see how far we go. We'll keep waiting until we're done, right? There's another one tomorrow on Sunday. I've interacted with some Bajans today, and actually they have been to Kenya. They have been to Kenya, some have gone to Tanzania or have been to Tanzania. Most of the times they go there to experience safaris. It's something you guys should try whenever you visit East Africa. It's now lunchtime and people are making arrangements to fuel up. By this I mean to eat. Food is like fuel to the body. Look at the guys in my background almost ruining their lunch, man. Some people are almost pouring their barbecue. No lunch for you guys. If you pour your barbecue, no lunch for you. We have a replica of such a rally in Kenya. We call it Safari Rally. It's also an annual event. If you don't know, now you know.
He want a bus to...
I was too occupied in the rally. The sounding of the alarm by the 000 car, which is a small car with atrocities words inscribed on it, signifies end of phase 1 of the rally. I may call it a break. Phase 2 is gonna be here shortly. Don't go nowhere. It's time for people to enjoy interaction, and it's lunchtime also. We are gonna sort out Budapest too. So let's enjoy some lunch and wait for phase 2. Okay.
So they got a dart hole, they got Sailor Gully, they got Pickering, they got Pickering, SS3 or something. This Pickering, part of Pickering. This whole route is Pickering. We just part of this Pickering.
Okay.
They got a 90 degree. Hey, how many people crashing that hole? So that's it, man.
Okay.
So you see how rally is great. We go meet people that we didn't know these. We just see them. We make sure they're blocking. They're trying to trick me, who is who, but I figure out, or trying to you get details.
Yeah, it's nice.
You drink. I know you don't drink alcohol, but usually people drink alcohol. What is barbecue? You got grill on. You get food.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm satisfied.
Huh? Nah, hamburgers no gotta do.
Something that I can take is only a drink.
A drink? Go get a drink then.
But solid food.
You took phone?
Let me charge my device a little bit.
That gave great sense. Yeah!
Second stage, 30 seconds, man, actually going on. There's a kid when I phone. Bill.
He was trying so hard. Let me see this one.
The whistling sound is it's a result of high speed. There's a whistling sound. I think it's a result of a high speed.
Turbo.
Yeah. To write in our compositions. Oh, I ran at a supersonic speed. We used to use those metaphors. Now this is supersonic speed in reality.
I would love that.
Toyota proving its strength. Wow.
They probably are the roll the tube under your chest and the plastic.
Yeah, yeah.
How much was that? Citroen?
Here comes another one. Let go. Come on. Come on. There it is. Who's next? Wow. That must be so fast. Only try this in rallies. Don't try this in normal roads. It's compatible with life.
This is incompatible with life unless you're an expert. Unless you're an expert, this is incompatible with life.
This one's home.
Whoa, here comes another one. Give us some stunts. We like to see rally stunts. I was telling those fellas in Kenya, we normally have dusty roads. So when they pass, they leave a lot of dust behind.
A lot of rallying in Kenya too?
Yeah. And that one you do it with the animals. Zebra might cross like this one.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful.
Yeah.
Or maybe you find an elephant who's just grazing at peace. So
You got other things to look out for.
I saw one jump over a dog. He was on a cliff and the dog was crossing. Yeah, it was so nice. Subway.
I look at the trajectory and I say he ain't gonna hit me, he gonna fly.
That way you can see in front of you.
They are human beings.
Machines, because I think
Yeah.
on these corners at their speed, for sure.
No, leave alone the machine, the human being in control.
No, I calling them machines because as a human being, I don't believe you should be able to drive machines around corners like that.
Yeah.
So they must be robots.
Those guys must be having very good senses.
You gotta be sharp.
Yeah. This one decided to come silent. Here comes another one. Who is this? Hey. He's coming, I can hear him. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Whatever will happen, only God knows. Whatever will happen between the two of them, only God knows. Oh, the four of them, because they are always a pair.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Come on. Someone is coming, someone is coming. These guys have fed me, I'm so satisfied like a cow. I'm saying these guys have fed me until I'm so satisfied like a cow.
You bought it for the crew. You at university?
Yeah,
Okay. You studying?
I'm studying medicine.
Okay.
Studying Warren's, the
That's coming now.
Victoria University of Barbados School of Medicine.
Which one?
Victoria University of Barbados School of Medicine.
Okay, that's the one in Wildy.
No, it's in Warren's Industrial Park.
Never heard of that one.
You know where One Accord Plaza is?
Mhm.
Yeah, just around there.
It's called Victoria
University
University.
of Barbados School of Medicine.
Never heard of that.
Uh,
How many of you guys
it's
here?
it's kind of new. I've been here for 4 years.
It's been around that long?
Yeah. I think it's because of COVID, you know. Yeah, most people are doing studies online. During COVID period is the time that the university had started operating. Yeah.
This car, this car got braking speed limits going down to the other
It does practice.
Oh, yeah.
Also just like license.
Oh, okay. You slow down, man. Yeah. That was very slow. Wow. That one is literally breathing. Someone is coming. Can hear you, boy. Come on. Here they come. Actually, there's one time in Kenya, lady won. Here comes another one. Who is this? Who are these?
Scary.
We can hear you. Come over. Come over, boy.
This style. Sounds like a style. I guess
Who is next?
Second letter. Start up. Yeah, that started after 2 though.
Let me give him his space.
No, that one. That was a start. That was a start.
So they know the road. They would have driven the road and all of that before.
Oh, okay.
So they know. That low short with it.
You know,
There's some of this corner for the heady top too. So for the start from
That's a big one, like, before we rate, is this it? Is this true? Now, for this shit, is it? That's
so after how long will we have another rally? After how long? After this one?
Winter?
Winter?
Winter, yeah, okay.
or autumn, I don't know. What month says?
Christmas. Maybe Christmas.
So in December. Okay.
Even when I live actually, I still live on myself. I can park here in place. I can park in Warren.
Somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. somebody else. Somebody else. Here comes another one. I can hear somebody. Here we go. There's another one here. Whoa. Wow. That was so cool. Did you guys see that? That was so cool.
She probably terrible.
These tires look new. They look brand new.
He may get sponsored by Rude Boy.
Whoa. Just missed two. I missed two. This one I'm not missing. I know someone is coming. I can hear from a distance. Someone is coming. You better be coming. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Come on. Whoa. Here they come. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Oh, and 1, 2, 3. Here they are. Someone else is coming. In 1, 2, 3. Here they are. I caught that very clear on camera. I wish I knew the names to these drivers. I have no clue. This is my first rally. I always see them on TV or YouTube. I don't know if this is the call that we had. I just followed the guys, so it was good. You know, I was trying to pick a bus to this place, and I don't think there's a bus to this place. So it's good that I met them. Otherwise, I would have taken a bus to nowhere. But I was intending to go to Spice Town first. Then I wanted from Spice Town I connect to this place. But the guys told me no, there's no bus going there. So I had to hop on the back of the van and get a free ride. And now I'm here experiencing. Someone is coming. Let me get to a position where I can take them. Someone is coming. Somebody's coming. Look at it. Did I see Ruto? Ruto is all over, even on vehicles here. There's a vehicle coming. Another one. Come on. I got that on camera. Someone else. Incoming. No, it wasn't Ruto, it was Auto. Is it Auto or Auto? Automatic. Let's go with Auto. I can hear the sound of someone. Is there anything incoming? Incoming. In 1, 2, 3. Someone else is coming. Incoming in 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Can you hear something? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Incoming. Double. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was cool. Two of them. May the best man win. Only God knows what will happen between the two of them. If I had a drone, maybe I would have followed them and see what will happen. Safe is better to stay where you see others rather than stay in a place alone. I think there are special designated places that people should stay or spectate from. Don't just go anywhere. There are special places.
Triple zeros. Every triple zero and somebody hit.
What is happening? Is there an accident? Maybe one crashed.
Also, I feel safe.
You like Barbados? Where I met? You like Barbados? What? Alright, boy, good? Yeah.
Mean the course, that right now the course works like
So for our one.
I was gonna try. I was like, they got a zero car.
Yeah,
they got a zero. They got a triple zero. And they got 999. So now the man got the extreme. 999 is real bad.
They want that three series plus armor.
Correct. Now walk down. Walk 999 pass. Circuit. Yeah. I mean, people great. First, and the man just directed it to safety.
Something.
But I think that's double zero, but you may have gone too far though.
That tree series and armor, boy.
Yeah. So we're gonna do here now, hold another beer and see what these girls are here saying.
There's another siren coming. Look at these guys. 4 sirens. It means there's something that happened. There's a problem. There's an ambulance now. Ambulance. Something happened.
I feel one egg in the other wall room. I see men partying. I see even men, women. I don't know what happened, but it's not gonna be good because you make it on the phone.
I don't have any information of who could have crashed. I tried searching on the net, I found nothing. But I guess the two cars that were following each other or that were dogging each other back to back might have crashed. There's one particular crash I found, but I won't tell you, it will be a spoiler. So wait for the next video. This marks the end of phase 2, day 1. More action is coming away, and day 2 is gonna be lit. Spoilers alert, have no words to describe it. Just stay vigilant for day 2.